Hello everyone, welcome to Economics for Students. In this video, we are going to learn how to find mode from a set of data. Mode of a given set of observation is that value which occurs the maximum number of times. That is, mode is the value of observation with maximum frequency. Consider the following data: 3, 2, 7, 3, 9, 7, 3, 5, 6, 3, 1, 6, 3. Here the value 3 has occurred maximum number of times. Therefore, mode is equal to 3. Now let us see how to find mode from a discrete frequency distribution. For discrete frequency distribution, mode can be determined by inspection only. Let us consider this discrete frequency distribution. Here variable x represents ready-made garment size. Here we can observe that size 6 has the maximum frequency 140. Hence, mode is equal to 6. Now let us learn how mode is calculated from a continuous frequency distribution. For a continuous frequency distribution, mode is calculated by using this formula. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I, where mode is denoted by Z. L is the lower limit of the modal class, f1 is highest frequency or frequency of the modal class, f0 is frequency of the class preceding the modal class, f2 is frequency of the class following the modal class, and I is width of the modal class. Consider this example. The following frequency distribution shows sale of computer during 30 days period. Calculate the mode. Here we have to find mode from this continuous frequency distribution. Here maximum frequency f1 is equal to 12. f1 corresponds to class interval 10 to 15, which is the modal class. f1 is equal to 12, f0 is equal to 8, f2 is equal to 3, L is equal to 10 and I is equal to 5. Now we will write the formula for mode: L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I. We will now substitute the corresponding values of f0, f1, f2, L and I. After calculating, it is found that mode is equal to 11.53. Thank you for watching the video.